Welcome back. Earlier in the course, we talked quite a bit about student motivation and how important that is for effective learning. We also talked about the affective domain, and we're going to return to the affective domain this week and continue talking about backward design and how we can continue to design learning experiences for our students.
So in 2008, Elaine Seymour and Nancy Hewitt published a study called Talking About Leaving. And in this study, they looked at students who switched from STEM majors. That is, these were undergraduates who started off as STEM majors, but at some point in their undergraduate career switched to non-STEM majors. And they wanted to know why these students switched.
Why is that such a big deal, Derek? I mean, undergrads switch majors all the time.
That's a good point, Trina. One of the interesting things they found was that students of color and women students were actually overrepresented among the switchers. So these were students who were switching at higher rates. And an important piece of this is that it wasn't ability, or rather lack of ability, that prevented these students from persisting in STEM majors. What the researchers found was that it was more often other factors that led them to switch. Instructional approaches, curricular design, lack of role models, and most relevant to this week, classroom climate. And so one of their conclusions was that if we want all students with ability to succeed in STEM courses, we need to consciously design learning environments in which every student is welcome to fully participate in learning.
So this week, we're going to hear from Trey Mack, who's an astronomer, and Alice Pauley, who's an associate professor of engineering education at Purdue University. And they're going to explore some of the moves that instructors can make that might exclude students. And you're going to see some classroom footage where a teaching assistant interacts with students and makes a few mistakes. So this might be a little bit uncomfortable, but rest assured that we're going to come back at the end and talk more about specific tools and strategies that you can use to create more inclusive classroom environments.